Hi everyone, welcome to the final episode of our feature flag series. It will be a short one because our solution is basically done, but we still need to implement one last package. Today, we are going to work on the REST loader. It's similar to the MongoDB loader, but instead of reading directly from a database, we will fetch the data from the flag service we have implemented in our last video. Let's get started. I hope you enjoy. To create the package, I've used the same Lerna command we used for the other packages. The command create with the option ES module. The TypeScript config file is still the same we have been using. The only dependency in package.json is the flags types, since we are using the native fetch API. We could have used a package to mock API requests, like knock or Axios, but I wanted to show you how to use Vitest for that. Let's check the class REST_loader. The constructor expects the base URL, which depends on where the REST service is running. In fact, this loader can work with any other REST service beside the one we have developed in our last video. The restrictions are the service must follow the flags structure and the environment name must be the last value in the path. We are using the fetch API to get the flags from the service. If the flags object is empty, we are passing an error to be logged and returning undefined. The same way, if something goes wrong, such as a network error, the catch statement will log the error and also return undefined. After get the flags, we need to map it to the structure we have defined in our second video. And that's it. Now we can explore the test case for our loader. Note that we are mocking the fetch function. This means that when the code calls fetch, it will be calling the mocked one. We need then create its behavior. We are mocking the JSON function, which returns a promise with the data we are passing. For example, we can pass a real JSON like this one we have in inspected flags, or undefined to simulate an error. Let's check the test case. We have two here. One for when everything works as expected, and another to test an error. I needed to do this typecasting using mock because my editor was throwing a warning. It was trying to find the function mock_resolve value in fetch and not in the mocked fetch. It works without the typecasting, but without it, I was getting the warning, and I don't like much warnings. The function mock_resolved value is used to mock the expected result when the code is calling fetch. The first test is deep comparing the flags object. And the second is to be sure that our load method returns undefined when something goes wrong. Note that we are using unit tests because we are mocking the request calls. The goal is to isolate the tests in this package. Now, let's use Lerna to build our package. And to test them. Yes, we are all good. And that's it for today. Now we have an initial solution to work with feature flags without using third-party libraries for handling them. There are many points of improvement if you really want to explore, not mentioning that we would need to implement a front end to have a user-friendly way to manage the flags. Although I don't consider myself a front-end developer, it's something we can do together in a future video. Meanwhile, stay tuned and check the other videos of our channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.